Hello, everyone. Today, 70% of the world's farmland is planted with gramineae crops, and more than 50% of the protein in human food comes from gramineous plants. Therefore, gramineous plants can truly be called the granary of mankind. Today, we will learn about gramineous plants. Gramineae is a large family of angiosperms, with over 660 genera and more than 10,000 species. There are over 225 genera and 1,200 species in China. Gramineous plants are widely distributed throughout the world and are a major component of terrestrial vegetation, particularly of various types of grasslands, and are especially abundant in temperate regions. Gramineous plants hold significant economic value. They are the main raw materials for food, construction, papermaking, textiles, brewing, sugar-making, pharmaceuticals, furniture, weaving, and fodder. They are also important plants for soil and water conservation, embankment protection, windbreaks and sand fixation, and soil improvement, as well as key plants for ornamental bamboo groves and lawns. Additionally, many grasses are common field weeds. Key identification points: stems are cylindrical, nodes are distinct, and internodes are often hollow. Leaves are in 2 rows, leaf sheaths are often split, and ligules or auricles are usually present. Spikelets form various types of inflorescences. Fruit is a caryopsis. Gramineous plants are typical wind-pollinated plants, characterized by small flowers, simple structure, lack of bright colors, reduced perianth, slender filaments, versatile anthers that sway easily, small and dry pollen grains, and feathery stigmas. Gramineae plants are divided into 2 subfamilies. Poaceae. They belong to the phylum Angiospermae, class Monocotyledonea, order Poles, and are a branch of the Gramineae family collectively known as Poaceae. They are distributed in subtropical regions and are also known as bamboos. Some are low like grass, while others are tall like trees. They are perennial plants. Shoots of some species are edible. There are about 150 genera and 1,225 species globally. China has about 39 genera and 500 species, mostly distributed in the provinces south of the Yangtze River basin. Poaceae textilis, also known as water bamboo or greenstem bamboo. Culm height is 6 to 8 cm, diameter 3 to 5 cm, internode length 30 to 40 cm, green, covered with white powder, hairless, nodes flat. Shooting period is from July to September. The culms can be used as poles, for trellises, or split to make various bamboo utensils. Bambusa multiplex alphonse Carr is a shrub-like or arborescent bamboo of the family Poaceae, genus Bambusa. Culms can reach up to 7 m in height. The internodes of culms and branches are yellow, with green vertical stripes of varying widths. It is cultivated in gardens in provinces such as Sichuan, Guangdong, and Taiwan, China. Bambusa ventricose is a clumping bamboo of the family Poaceae. Young culms are dark green, slightly powdery, turning olive yellow when old. The culms are dimorphic. Normal culms are cylindrical, 7 to 10 mm high, with internodes 30 to 35 cm long. Deformed culms are usually 25 to 50 cm tall, with shorter internodes than normal ones. This species is often used for potted plants. The attractive Buddha's belly bamboo is also used as material for many handicrafts and decorative items, such as fans, bamboo carvings, and musical instruments. The subfamily Poaceae comprises about 575 genera and over 9,500 species, distributed worldwide. There are about 170 genera and roughly 700 species in China. The culms of Poaceae are generally herbaceous, and the leaves on the culm are typical foliage leaves, with a mid-vein and usually no petiole. Sorghum bicolor, an annual cultivated crop. Culms are solid, with prop roots at the base. Leaf blades are narrow lanceolate, 3 to 6 centimeters wide. Spikelets are ovate elliptical. Widely cultivated in China, most extensively in the northeast. It is one of the important coarse cereals. Z maize is an annual cultivated plant with erect stems, often bearing aerial roots at the basal nodes. Male panicles are spreading and borne at the top of the culm. Cylindrical female inflorescences emerge from leaf axils, enclosed by numerous husk-like bracts. Female spikelets are densely arranged in longitudinal rows on a stout rachis. It is widely cultivated all over the world. Avena sativa, an annual herb. Fibrous roots are tough. Culms are erect, smooth and glabrous, up to 120 centimeters tall, with nodes. Oat grains are used for milling into flour for food or as fodder, with high nutritional value. Finally, we will conclude our lesson with a mnemonic verse summarizing Gramineae characteristics. This family often has grasses and bamboo, with great merits for farming, industry, and greening. Culms hollow, with nodes, basal branching, leaves simple, alternate, in 2 rows. Leaf sheath, ligule, auricle present or absent, veins longitudinal and parallel, a good distinction. Bisexual flowers small, in spikelets, glooms enclose lemma, palea, and loticules. Stamens often 3, anthers versatile, T-shaped, ovary superior, 1 locule. Fruit a caryopsis, often used as food, rice, wheat, millet, and foxtail millet seen everywhere.